Hi guys, today I'm making a coconut pastry called Poli. To make the filling, in a bowl, add in your coconut, toasted sesame seeds and sugar. Mix it together well and set it aside. To make the pastry dough, in a large bowl, add in your flour, softened butter and baking powder. Mix together well using a fork till there are no longer any large pieces of butter. The filling for this recipe is really simple, but you could also add in nuts such as almonds or cashews, raisins or sultanas, or even spices such as cardamom. Add in the milk a little at a time. When the mixture starts to look a bit shaggy, swap out the fork for your hand and mix well till everything comes together into a ball. Lightly flour your surface. Then roll out the dough using a rolling pin to about 2 mm thickness. Use a round cutter and cut out as many rounds as you can, then re-roll the scraps and repeat till you are left with no dough. To assemble, brush the edges of the disc with some water and place the filling in the middle. The amount, of course, depends on the size of your disc. Then fold the edges together and pinch them closed while pushing the filling in. Then use a fork just to make sure that it's completely sealed. Repeat with the remaining pieces of dough. Heat some oil and place a few pieces at a time, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Use a fork to turn them back and forth, allowing them to fry till golden brown. Remove them from the oil and drain on some paper towels. Allow it to cool completely and they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!